Out here on the ranch, working on some fencing more. Show you what I've got going on. So the latches are a little either too high, too low, so I got to work on that. And then some of the rails here are a little too high, so I've been working on those. He just got done feeding some horses, got the hay out there. So now when you bring it in, it works. So you can see on this fence how it's almost off. It sits on that, so I need to bring that down a little bit. Off to the next job, whatever they want. Bigger pasture on the right. So moose are jumping some fences, and I'm trying to repair what I can. I'll kind of show you. Got the wire right there. They've got these plastic ones. Some of them are breaking. I just got to walk through here and check the fences. Last week I worked on these fences. They said some of them settled, so I'm going to go back through each of these fence gates. They got the horses out. They're enjoying their meal. So it's a nice day out. Somebody's checking out everything I've got in the back there. So we're washing the trucks after laying over at the ranch yesterday. Thought I'd show the videos of the boys washing the trucks off. Logan, say hi.